Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'm going to be making a easy DIY seashell picture frame from stuff I bought from the Dollar Tree. Spray it with this satin almond color. Once I unwrap it because it's wrapped up right now. And it's a cute little picture frame, but I'm going to make a beach theme out of it. And I got these shells from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'll be using these. I'm going to paint the frame, then I'll be gluing these on there with the hot glue gun. And you can get all this stuff here at the Dollar Tree. The paint you can get at your hardware store. And that's what I'll be doing today. So thanks for tuning in to Outdoor Handyman Adventures. Put a couple of coats on it. Get a good base on here. Yeah, we'll let that dry a little bit. We'll come back with one more coat. Okay, now we got our picture frame painted. Now we just need to put our shells on. Pause that. All right, I'm going to put my first seashell right there. Okay, I'll line it up right here. There we go. There's your first seashell. A little extra glue right there. I need to see if I can get it off of there. Up. Let's see if we can't fix that. Right there. Okay. Get a little glue in there. Okay, hold that. Okay. And right here with the paint, I'll touch that up with some paint when I'm all done. And another big one here. I'm going to put another big one on this corner here. Let's see, I'll do it just like that. That'll work. All right. Get this one on there too. Oh yeah, we can just put them different ways. You don't have to put them the same way I'm doing it. So many different ways you can do it. You could actually lay the seashells out on top of your picture frame first to get your dimensions the way you want them. Just set them up there, you know. See, we got one. That's gonna be fine. Maybe a little bit bigger. Let's see here. Ooh, there's a nice one. I'll put that one on there. And on the bottom, I'm trying to make sure that it's even across the bottom. I'm not going to worry too much about the sides and the top. I just want it so if it sets, if you have to set it down, it will set down and the seashell won't make it uneven across the bottom. So this here is going to be my bottom. I want it to be able to set like that. Okay. Let's see here. All right, let's do the top. I think I'm going to do the top. I think I'll do the top, bring the top down like that. It'd be cool. I don't know if I should. I mean, you could do it that way too. But I think I'm going to do mine this way. I think I'm going to do it that way. I think that would be kind of cool. You know, you can be creative and do it all kind of different ways. Get another big one here. That don't look good on there. I need some more glue. Here. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. That one right there. Yep. Okay, there's that. Let's see what I'm going to put across here. I'll do that. That looks good. All right. And then when it dries, I get this excess glue off of here. We'll get it looking good. Yep. Oh yeah, it's gonna look really good. So already it looks really good. Let's see. That is way big, but can do something like that. But I think I'm gonna turn it inward. These are some smaller ones. Let's try this. Let's try that. See what that looks like. I like it. I think that's cool. If I had some really small ones, I could put 2 in there. But unfortunately, on this set of seashells, I don't really have any really small ones except maybe this one here. But I think if I turned them kind of like that, that could be something. I think that is cool if I can find another small one. I like that actually. Let's see what we can find. Here's one that's kind of like that. It's not, that could cover up where I scratched the paint, and I like that. That'll work great. See, there's no wrong way of doing it. Just do it and make it look awesome. You know, get out, have fun, create something. You know, make it your own. No matter what it might be, just take it and make it your own. And then you have your own creation that's awesome. Let's see. Even a little broken one wouldn't hurt. You make it more festive. That could be nice. Go ahead and glue these on this side here. this one to fit right there. Yes, it will. We're going to put it right there. Okay. Pretty. I like that one. That's cool. Ooh, got some hot glue on my fingers. Yeah, just be careful, don't burn yourself. And there you go. Got a nice beachy style picture frame with seashells. And now you can take a picture of yourself at the beach or someone or your loved ones and your family and put your picture right in there and you'll have a awesome little picture. I hope you like this video, and always like and subscribe to Outdoor Handyman Adventures. Thank you and have a great day.